This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Love Story on piano easily. We will break down this beautiful song into manageable steps, focusing on simple techniques perfect for beginners. You'll learn the fundamental chords for your left hand and a straightforward melody for your right. By the end, you'll be able to play a recognizable version of this popular tune. Remember, patience and consistent practice are key to mastering any new song on the piano. For your left hand, we will focus on 4 primary chords that form the backbone of Love Story. Begin with a D major chord, playing D, F sharp, and A. Then smoothly transition to a major chord, using A, C sharp, and E. Next, you'll play a B minor chord, which consists of B, D, and F sharp. Conclude this progression with a G major chord, hitting G, B, and D. Practice these 4 chords until they feel comfortable and flow naturally. Now, let's tackle the right hand melody. For an easy approach, you can often stay within a 5-finger position. The key is to play the main melody notes clearly. You'll frequently use notes like D, C sharp, E, and F sharp. Don't worry about every single note. Focus on the most recognizable parts of the tune. Practice slowly, ensuring each note sounds even and has a consistent duration. This will help you build accuracy and musicality. Once both your left and right hands feel confident independently, it's time to combine them. Start by playing at a very slow tempo, perhaps at 60 beats per minute, focusing on just 1 or 2 measures at a time. Pay close attention to how the notes from both hands align. A metronome is an excellent tool to keep a steady beat. As your coordination improves, you can gradually increase the speed, making your performance smoother and more expressive. Keep practicing, and you'll be playing Love Story beautifully in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.